AWS Directory Description. AWS Directory Service provides managed Microsoft Active Directory (AD) services, allowing you to easily manage users, groups, and resources in your AWS environment. It offers three main options. AWS Managed Microsoft AD, a fully managed AD service that is hosted and maintained by AWS. Simple ADA, lightweight, single domain AD service that is ideal for small-scale deployments. AD Connector, a service that enables you to connect your on-premises AD to AWS. Prerequisites: AWS account, ing permissions to manage AWS Directory Service. Use cases: single sign-on SSO for users accessing AWS resources. Centralized user management for easier control and administration. Integration with existing on-premises AD. Domain name services DNS. Group policy management. Steps. Create a directory in the AWS console based on your chosen service managed Microsoft AD. Simple AD or AD connector. Join EC2 instances to the directory using the appropriate methods. Configure domain controllers for proper management and security. Challenges and fixes. Connectivity issues. Check network configuration, ensure proper routing and connectivity between your EC2 instances and the directory service. Verify security groups, make sure appropriate ports are open in your security groups to allow necessary traffic. Check VPC endpoint if using a VPC endpoint. Ensure it's correctly configured and accessible. Authentication errors. Verify credentials, confirm that the user credentials used for authentication are correct and have the necessary permissions. Check time synchronization, ensure that the time on EC2 instances and the directory service is synchronized. Validate domain name, verify the correct domain name is used when joining instances or connecting to the directory. Performance bottlenecks. Optimize directory size, regularly clean up unnecessary objects and accounts to improve performance. Scale up directory if experiencing high traffic. Consider scaling up the directory service instance. Review directory configuration, analyze and optimize directory configuration settings, such as replication and garbage collection. Security vulnerabilities. Apply security patches, regularly update directory service and operating system with latest security patches. Implement access control, use group policies and security groups to enforce granular access control. Enable auditing, log and monitor directory activities for security analysis and incident detection. Utilize multi-factor authentication (MFA). Enable MFA for administrator accounts and sensitive services. Backup and recovery. Implement backup strategy, regularly back up your directory data to ensure recovery in case of failures. Use AWS Backup, leverage AWS Backup service to automate directory backups and restore functionalities. Configure snapshots, create regular snapshots of your directory to preserve data at specific points in time. Test recovery, regularly test your backup and recovery processes to ensure they are effective.